everybody, it's Shannon here, Art Junkie. I'm here for Saturday Shoutouts. Let's see here. Saturday Shoutouts. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. Crooked Little Studio. Let's find Crooked Little Studio. Little studio. Here we are. Let's see what she has going on here. Let's check her. It says that this channel includes work by me, Diane Garrison. For starters, I am showing my printmaking process and my gelatin plate mono prints. Who knows where else my journey may go. She has jelly printing time-lapse, jelly printing time-lapse, jelly printing time-lapse, using cardstock, masks, and stencils, more jelly printing time-lapse. Let's see her instructional videos, Crooked Little time-lapse studio videos. So there you go, check her out doing her printing. Next is Possum Patty. Just journaling with Possum Patty. I like Possum Patty. She's fun and very kind and nice. Just journaling with Possum Patty. There she is. Let's see what her channel says. Howdy! I love to journal, nature journaling, art journaling, junk journaling, garden journaling, memory keeping, and now I've started a slow stitch just because book. Why? Just because. Sometimes I smash all of my journaling genres into one of my cosmic smash books. Whether at the Dollar Tree, flea market, or yard sale, I like to find bargains for junk journaling, and I will share my finds with you. To contact me, click the via email address button. I just want to talk. Thank y'all for coming along. That's fun. She's in the United States. Let's see her videos. Thrifty Thursday. Journal with me, little golden book. Journal with me, little golden book. Make a stamp with me. Journal with me, little golden book. Journal with me, Friendship Fridays. Thrifty Thursday at Bargains and Ideas for journaling. Watercolor Weed Wednesday. Content Creator Studio. Trash Tuesday. Yay. Can I finish this journal? Question mark. That's all hearts at the dollar store. Little golden books. Just a sec there. My eyes are leaking. My eyes are leaking here. Let's see what else we got going on here at Possum Patty's house. Journal with me, Bee-Craft unboxing, journal with me. Lots of journaling. Four Sisters Cafe. Friendship Friday, Little Golden Book Journal. Possum Patty's journaling. There we go. You're gonna love her. She's very friendly and fun person to watch. Next is Raul. Raul is someone I just met recently at the recent streamathon. Raul draws very well. He drew anyway, oh look, this is the one where he did me. He wrote my name down. He's gonna do one for me for my channel here. It's gonna say Art Junkie. It's gonna go right here so you can see it. So that will be fun. He's a drawer. He draws calligraphy, art, drawing, graffiti art. Let's see here what we got. Where is Raul? This is Raul.
I have a college essential that every student can use to make their work lives a little bit easier, and that would be...
Here we have coronavirus awareness poster. Wear mask, social distancing, stay home, wash your hands. There's a lot of drawing. It's very good first drawing. Look at these ones. Draws Rebecca, Shannon, Dawn, India, Happy Republic, Avatar, Way of Water, Chibi Fan, Michelle Jan, Scream, Ghostface, calligraphy, art, y'all, NFL football player. Wait a minute. How to draw awareness poster. World Cup 2022. Christmas 2022. Hocus Pocus Halloween. Dead End Paranormal Park. Netflix. Poppy Playtime. I drew a little coronavirus. I thought about doing that once upon a time. I suppose it's still here. It's not too late. Alrighty, that's all. Next is Jenny Ginger Ninja Crafts. Jenny Ginger Ninja Crafts. Jenny Ginger. Jenny Ginger. See what it says here. Jenny Ginger Ninja Crafts. Oh, we are Jenny Ginger Ninja Crafts. Oh, I haven't subscribed to her. Subscribe. Let's see what her thing says. Hi crafty people and welcome to my channel. I am Jenny and I love crafting, particular paper crafts and cross stitching. This channel is a place for me to share craft projects, hauls and reviews. Not aimed towards children. If you would like to get in touch with me, send me an email. You will find me sharing crafty goodness at Ginger Ninja Crafts. Or why not come and say hi on my social media? Crafty Hugs Jenny, aka Ginger Ninja. She's got some Valentine's stuff here. Make a play challenge. Play and make challenge horror VR for lovely creators. R for ribbons, ribbon journal. Happy New Year's. Embellish with us Wednesdays. Twinchies and Inchies. HMBA Design A Sheet. Papercraft Society Box. Pixie Powders, Brushos, and Shimmer Powders. Heather's Haunted Haven Halloween. Lots of fun stuff going on there. And the last one is Jessica Marble Crafts. Let's check that out. Jessica Marble Crafts. Jessica Marvel Crafts. Ooh, look at the beautiful bright stuff we have going on here. Let's see what her channel says. UK Crafter, Paper Crafter, 3D Projects, Doodlebug Designs, Julie Nightingale Stamps, Embellishment Making, Mixed Media, ATC, Art Journaling, Halloween, All Cuteness, Stamp and Coloring, Stamps, UK Swaps, and International. Just a few of my favorite things. Let's see our playlists. JK Stream, Paper and Twine Tag Club. Paper and Twine's Tag Club. December Daily Making. 12 Days of Christmas. Craft with Me, 3D Crafts. No dies. ATC Swaps. Doodlebug Collaboration, PMA Craft Challenge. Leslie versus Bex versus Jess. 12 Months of Christmas. Embellishments. Design a Sheet. Alphabet Challenge. 12 Months of Halloween. Family and Friends. Stamp It Up. One Sketch Collaboration. Spooktober. Willie Steph Art Club. A to Z Collab. Halloween Series. Birthday Giveaway. Christmas in July. It's got lots of videos there. Lots and lots of stuff. There we go. I want to check something out. Oh, Stitch It. I was told Stitch It is Pam. I want to see here what we got going on here on Stitch It. Not Stitch It International. That's on the same thing. In any case, there are your Saturday shoutouts for this week. Hope you enjoyed that. And I hope you'll join me at 2 o'clock for my live today. I'm going to make some ATCs. Might have to make some cards because I need some cards. And we'll go from there. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.